Investigations have narrowed down the likely origin of the blighted stims. To target nominate Obscura Den. Said target is located in Mercantile District, HL-70-04, enemy territory. This means many angry spiky ones. Infiltrate, investigate, gather intel. Survival is recommended, but not mandatory at this time.
Generous permission, I make myself available to you.
Ah, Engine Seer KX-8. As punctual as your reputation promised. We require your expertise.
So wills the Omnisire, so do I obey.
The Emperor!
We must locate a concealed establishment. It is my theory that this can be done by interrogating the district fusion grid.
Intriguing. We shall.
Follow the engineer's instructions precisely, varlets. Do not embarrass me.
Does good work. Occasionally.
Intact district scenes, but the machine god children are everywhere in hell.
In time, we shall reclaim them for the Omnisire.
Look at the witch!
You should take notes, Nick.
I'm reloading!
Fight!
That's the fun! It all works!
Never speak of this again.
Bastion 220 engaged! That's the bother out of our bases! You take running forward!
Not the machine god. Help me abide these animitants to their goal.
Be assured, you do not need to understand his words, varlets. You need only follow the waypoints he assigns.
Is he dead? Tell me the fragging thing! Chopper coming in! I need ammo!
There's no need to show off.
Alone again. Really shouldn't wander off like that.
search.
Headshots is best.
Taking armor! Aim for the weak spot! Red shotgun up!
This is where it begins. A tangle of misaligned and subverted circuits.
Bring him down!
I have ammo. Deeper. You must go deeper.
You are certain.
It's dark and material. Machines are all a whimper for the release of malfunction.
No more outrage!
Typical. The enemy has the best ground.
Scab trappers down! It'll be hard fighting before we're done, but the Emperor stands with us.
Too rotten right.
An establishment within an establishment. I don't know where they get their duplicity.
Helipack!
Biggest gets biggest all about. The shadow lies upon this planet. Deception, lies.
Box is non-functional.
We go down fighting. That's all we can do.
When I want you dead, I'll kill you myself.
Barrel's gonna explode! Bastion 220 combat stunts!
In the head! Shot mine out!
But now it's
expected too much of them, Engine Seer. It's all they can do to hold the data interrogator the correct way up.
We should proceed. The fusion grid anomaly lies within reach.
Varlets reach the wall with alacrity.
Copy that! Here they come! Punchmaster! No more fatty! Sickening! Engaging! Trapper's dead!
The torment cries, screams, begs. Be swift.
Buster's dead!
Don't think I'm interested. Come on! Going up! Push it! Barrel's gonna blow! Duty! Won't be a problem now! Headed back down!
A locked door. You know what to do, Varlets.
Isolate your data interrogator from the Morning Star. Don't permit this place's insanity to spread.
Yes! They look quite comfortable. Got all to pieces. Going crack! Corner! Eliminating primary target!
Do not disrupt the flow of data again.
Push it! Ammo's dry! Cover me! Flavor! Engaging precision fire! Signal the bomber, comrades! Okay, crack!
Have somehow succeeded in solving the issue.
They're dug in!
Data interrogation imminent. System access granted. Proceed.
Won't be a problem now! Sighting it! Trapper! Ammo! Sinew stuck in your teeth! What have you been eating, big man?
It seems the synthesization process can draw upon a sizable workforce.
The fate of the unenlightened is not our immediate concern.
Explosive burst!
Hidden from sight, animals distant scream, their purpose subverted by crude hands.
Perhaps you should sever yourself from the future, Fred. Spare yourself this discomfort.
And then you will remember what was done. And avenge it.
Oh, and crack grenade! I need that! Shotgun up!
I will protect you, simpletons!
Dedicate station!
We need no longer buy about the
Scout shotgun! Crack grenade! Clear of the barrel! All right! Warpiece!
Count dead!
Woman! Drop him! Ammo! Get close to me, son! Don't forget to get hurt!
Objective attainment is imminent. I advise you not to snatch defeat from the jaws of victory. The sum of your parts is greater than the individual. In other words, group up.
This is the heart of the anomaly. Deploy your servo skull. Seek your answers.
If you use the servo skull, I shall look to you for a replacement.
No longer in threat!
Sniper dead!
Unsighted! Cracking armor!
This is the primary search location. Deploy your auspices and remain alert for data points.
Precision fire!
I cannot fault the heretics' ingenuity, though I abhor both their goals and their methods.
There can be no greater work than to unmask of subversion. Persia must be restored.
Data hall is complete in this area. Upload your findings to the servo skull.
Engaging priority target! It's dealt with! I have your power! Headhunting! Over there! Our side is efficient, I'll give him that.
Envy, I hear?
You have successfully harvested the available data. Now destroy the operational synthesizers.
Engaging precision fire!
The gift of oblivion. The machine spirits thank you.
Not all that is lost can be saved, Ecclesia. Stillness is preferable to subversion.
Genesis chamber. Here. And pressed in purpose. Granted release must you. inert must you.
Shotgunner! Gather 350 on it! Barrel's gonna explode!
Data inbound. Continue. Defend.
Kill that break, bomber! Crack grenade!
I will leave you if I must.
Rank shotgunner! Precision fire underway! Should have sent a proper soldier.
Oh, thank you, Batman.
Interrogation approaching completion.
Defense flank! Cover me!
I have a shield.
Cover day!
Updated parameters suggest a favorable outcome.
Sickening! Engaging!
An acceptable performance. I think we may consider this matter concluded. Expedite your return to the surface and await extraction.